Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to study the sign-in process of our e-commerce web application. So in the previous videos we studied about the sign-up process. So I used an email and password for the sign-up process. So I'm going to use the same email and password for the sign-in process as well. So I'm going to type the email first and the password. So I have typed the email and the password. So if I click the sign-in process, if I click the sign-in button, it will automatically redirect it to the home page of our e-commerce web application. So now you can see I just click the sign-in process, and this is our home page of our e-commerce web application. So here you can see the products here. So this is the sign-in process. So let me show the code related to the sign-in process. So if you come here, you can see here we have coded a button tag here. So inside that we have given the sign-in button. So inside that button tag we have assigned a sign-in function, assigned a function called sign-in to the onClick. So once we click the sign-in, it will call the sign-in function. So if we go to the JavaScript section, so you can see here the function that we created in the index file. So once we click the sign-in button, this function will be called. So if we look at this function, you can see here we have got two IDs, email and the password. So here there is a remember me ID, so I'll explain that in another video. So the email and the password has been caught using the IDs. After that, we have assigned those data into variables in the JavaScript section. After that, we have appended those details into a form data using the append keyword, and then we have sent those email and password data using the AJAX post method into the server side. So if you see here, we have used the post method, and we have sent to the server side file name called signinprocess.php. So if we go to the signinprocess.php file, which means the server side file, so you can see here we have caught the those IDs which we sent from the JavaScript side to the server side. So specifically, as I told earlier, we are sending those data using the AJAX post method. So we have used the associative array called $_post to get all those details which we send from the JavaScript side to the server side using a form data in AJAX post method. So and then we have assigned those data into respective variables. So for example, from this we can get the email. So the email will be sent to the server side in this parameter. So the data that comes through this will be assigned to the variable called email. So the same thing happens for the password as well. So if you come here, there are some validations. So for example, if you have the same thing and without a validation, the user can do anything. So we have added some validations. So first of all, as I explained you about this in the previous video, we can see here we have used an empty keyword, which means if the if the $email variable has no data, which means it's empty, you should give an alert saying please enter your email address. And then if it's okay, then it will come to the second validation. And if the string length, that means str length means the string length, if the string length of the email is more than is greater than 100, you need to send an alert saying that incorrect email address. After that, we have validated the email here using a keyword called filter_var, and then we have used the same thing, empty and the string length for the password as well. So after that, if you come here, you can see the data which was sent from the client side to the server side is being filtered and checked from the database. So for example, if there is already a registered user, for example, my email, I'm a registered user, I'm already a registered user, so I can enter the email and the password, so I can log into the system. So if someone comes and that guy is not a registered user, so the same thing happens, the email and the password will be checked in the database. If there is no existing email related to that email, related to the user's email that which he entered, and he'll be given an alert saying that you are not a valid user or something, please sign up to login, so something like that. So in here we can see here we have done a search in the database using the select query. So we are getting the email and the password, so we are searching in the user table the email and the password. So if there is any email and password matching the same email and password which the user entered, will get an alert called success, which means the user will be redirected to the home page. If not, the user will get an alert saying that invalid email or password or something like that. So I'll explain this in the next video. So this alert will go to the JavaScript section, and the user, the client will get the alert from the browser. So if you see here, we have given a if condition. So if the response from the server side is the same thing, success, the window should be redirected to the home page. So if not, there will be an alert showing that the response which came from the server side. So this is the process of sign-in. So this is how a sign-in process works from each and every website. So this is up to this video. So let's meet with another process in the next video.